Puzzle Mix Show.
First, draw her head. Yellow. Good. Now, draw her smile. Pink. Excellent. Add a neat hairdo. Brown. Draw a beautiful crown for the princess. Yellow. And a pair of pigtails. Brown. How beautiful! Now let's draw a beautiful dress for the princess. First, draw the corset. Good job! Your drawing looks great. Now draw a puffy skirt. Red. Put the fancy frills on the skirt. Violet. Wonderful! Draw the beautiful sleeves. First, a little circle. Red. And now, a little hand. Yellow. And another little circle. Red. Don't forget the other hand. Yellow. What a lovely princess! Look at how beautifully your princess dances!
La 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 la. La la la.